here when we do. Every step lands where it should go. No signpost, no need to explain. Your eyes answer before the name. It's a silent language we speak. One look and the world aligns. No letters, no sound between. Just present, steady and calm. It's a silent language we keep in glances, close and clear. Nothing said, nothing missed. I'm understood right here.
Bypass. Not quite that.